Imagine this. You have just $100 right now. What if I told you this humble amount could be the start of your journey toward financial freedom? Sounds impossible, right? Well, stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the tools to make your $100 grow, and it might just be the best financial decision you ever make. Point 1. Start with low-cost index funds. The first step? Index funds. These are low-cost, diversified investments that track the overall stock market. Think of it like a basket of stocks. You're not putting all your eggs in one basket, you're spreading the risk. And here's the best part. With $100, you can start investing in some of the world's largest companies, from Apple to Tesla, without needing to pick individual stocks. Point 2. Invest in fractional shares. Next, let's talk about fractional shares. This is where the game changes. With $100, you might be thinking, I can't afford to buy Amazon or Google stock. Guess what? You don't have to buy a full share. Fractional shares allow you to invest as little as $1 in a share of a company like Amazon, Tesla, or Microsoft. It's like buying a slice of a pizza instead of the whole thing. Point 3. Explore ETFs, exchange-traded funds. Now, let's talk about ETFs, another powerful investment vehicle you can access with $100. An ETF is like an index fund, but it's traded on the stock exchange like an individual stock. By investing in an ETF, you get access to a broad range of assets, from stocks to bonds, in one easy-to-purchase package. Think of it as an all-in-one investment portfolio that's already diversified. Point 4. Utilize robo-advisors. Now, if you're thinking, I don't have time to manage my investments, or I'm not sure where to start, then robo-advisors are for you. These are automated platforms that take care of everything for you. For as little as $100, you can create a portfolio tailored to your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. They do all the work. All you have to do is deposit your money. Point 5. Set up an emergency fund and dollar cost averaging. Before you dive deep into investing, make sure you have a small emergency fund. It doesn't need to be much, just enough to cover a couple of months of living expenses. This ensures that if life throws a curveball, you won't have to dip into your investments. And once you've set that up, consider dollar cost averaging. This means investing a fixed amount regularly, like $25 a week, instead of dumping all your $100 in one go. It's a great strategy to reduce the risk of market volatility. Remember, the key is to start now, whether it's index funds, fractional shares, ETFs, or robo-advisors. Taking that first step is what matters most. Your $100 is just the beginning. If you're ready to unlock the full potential of your investments, click on the video right here, and let's dive into the power of compounding, how it can make your money work for you in ways you never imagined.